Now, to make us all feel safe, we have Safeseat, the first low-cost safety seat for boats. Let's welcome Svavar Konradsson.
We Icelanders are breaking people's backs on whale watching tours. I'm here to help. On these tours, you usually sit on a box with a small cushion. The boat hits a wave at high speed, and all the impact energy goes directly into your spine. Permanent injuries happen in this way on speedboats around the world, with several examples in Iceland in recent years. One person suffered a back-breaking incident in Reykjavik this summer. The team of Safeseat met at Rafnar, the innovative boatyard where we got to design pleasure boats, like this yacht, and rigid inflatable boats for the Coast Guard and search and rescue teams. These are people who need to go out in any weather fast, so they need suspension seats to keep their backs safe. We searched the market and decided to go with, never mind that one. Decided to go with Ullmann, the European market leader, at 400,000 ISK per seat. That's an expensive seat. It's okay if you only have 4 seats per boat and you have professionals using it, fine. But for sightseeing tour operators with 12 to 18 seats per boat, it becomes impossibly expensive. And then you go for the box. Recent products have lowered the price per seat down to 200,000. Still not enough. So we decided to develop our own suspension seat and lower the price below 100,000 ISK. Why this low? Because there the market starts to expand. Because suddenly pretty much everyone who can afford a boat in the first place and the maintenance can afford safe seats for everyone on board. And this is Safeseat, a new, incredibly simple suspension seat for boats. It is mass-produced and has very few parts. It's very low cost. How low? We will figure it out when the design is finalized, but it will be under 100,000 with a 70% gross profit margin for the manufacturer. Now, I'm sorry for not being able to show you more of the seat, but our plan is to apply for a patent, and that's a crucial part of our strategy. We will validate the design on a test rig that we've built at the University of Iceland, and 3 whale-watching companies have offered to test the seats at sea. When it's validated, we go for the patent, and we're ready to go. There are 6 million pleasure boats in the Nordic and Baltic countries, our home market. Now, there are quite a few small producers of suspension seats right now, but we believe that the market is about to mature into fewer, smaller players. And the reason is this. A new international safety standard for boat seats is in development right now. I am Iceland's representative in this work. And with standardization comes consolidation. This is why now is the right moment for a new entrant to claim a significant market share and keep it. So how do we go to market? do we set up a factory complete with sales and distribution channels from scratch? Nah, we're going to piggyback on someone who already has those things, because those are expensive and time-consuming to set up. And this is why the patent is so important, because we plan to license the technology to manufacturers who already make products for boats, so that they can add Safeseat to their product lineup and sell it through their existing channels. This way, we reduce risk for everyone as well as capital requirements. They pay us a royalty per sold seat. And this is our first licensing partner, Coda Composites in Latvia. We are in talks with them to offer Safeseat as an option on the boats that they build for 3 different boat brands. They want to manufacture, sell, and distribute Safeseat in the Nordic countries, in green, and the Baltics, in blue. And they already have a first interested customer, a rib tour company that needs 42 suspension seats this fall. If all goes well, this licensing partnership will be a success story that we can take to manufacturers in other markets and license the seat there. In this way, volume of seats can expand quite rapidly for a physical product in a conservative market. Now, if you know about licensing, please talk to me at our booth, and let's put a stop to back injuries at sea and enable everyone to sit in a safe seat. Thanks for your attention.